it comes down to it, the practice of law is the practice of problem solving. That's what you need in business too. In law, you have a set of facts and a set of laws. You work to apply the law to the facts before you. Other times in law, you're advising a client on what the law means, how it applies to them, and how to proceed within the confines of the law in a way that benefits them. I do that every day in my career in baking, whether it be contract review, determining possibilities and pathways to expand our operations within the rules of the building and environmental departments of the city, or what's required to be SQF compliant, or how I can and can't proceed with the use of certain colors in our products. I interpret the rules and apply them to our business. I'm trained as an attorney to be able to argue every side of an issue. That helps me in baking because no matter what my initial position is, I always play devil's advocate. And I encourage everyone around me to make an argument for or against an idea or bring something completely different to the table. It's only through really tearing an idea apart that you can develop a good plan of action. If you can find flaws in an idea before it's a plan in motion, you have the ability to attempt to resolve them before it costs the business time and money.